With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, so the question is find the product of two matrices. So two matrices that is given to us, that is matrix A and matrix B. Okay, now it is saying that show that AB is a zero matrix if theta and phi differs by an odd multiple of pi by 2. So what is odd multiple of pi by 2? Odd multiple of pi by 2 means pi by 2 is multiple of 2n plus 1. Okay, that is 2n plus 1 pi by 2. So it will always be an odd multiple of pi by 2. So first of all, let's find AB. So AB, that is a multiple of A matrix and B matrix. So A matrix that is given to us is cos theta sin theta, cos theta sin theta, sin square theta, and B is given to us cos square phi sin phi, cos phi sin phi, and sin square phi. Okay, now if we multiply these two, we get AB matrix. So that is, so first element will be cos square theta multiplied by cos square phi plus cos theta sin theta multiplied by cos phi sin phi. Okay, so this will be cos square theta cos square phi and plus cos theta sin theta cos phi sin phi. Now similarly the second element will be cos square theta multiplied by cos phi sin phi and cos theta sin theta multiplied by sin square phi. So that is cos square theta cos phi sin phi plus cos theta sin theta sin square phi. Now this is second element. Let's find the third element. That will be cos theta sin theta multiplied by cos square phi plus sin square theta multiplied by cos phi sin phi. Okay, so that is cos theta sin theta cos square phi plus sin square theta cos phi sin phi, and similarly the fourth element will be cos theta sin theta cos phi sin phi plus sin square theta sin square phi. Now this simplified, so this will be AB is equals to, so we can take common from here first element cos theta cos phi, so cos theta cos phi, and the remaining term will be cos theta cos phi plus sin theta sin phi. Okay, and from the second element we can take common cos theta sin phi, and the remaining will be the same as the first element, that is cos theta cos phi plus sin theta and sin phi. Okay, now from the third element we can take common sin theta sin phi, and the remaining will be same, that is cos theta cos phi plus sin theta sin phi. And now from the fourth element we can take common sin theta cos phi, and remaining will be the same, that is cos theta cos phi plus sin theta sin phi. So these are the four elements of the AB matrix. Now we know that a formula, that is cos theta cos phi plus sin theta sin phi, that is equals to cos theta minus phi. Okay, so we can use that formula here. Now AB will be cos theta, cos phi multiplied by cos theta minus phi. And the second element will be cos theta sin phi multiplied by cos theta minus phi. And the third element will be sin theta sin phi multiplied by cos theta minus phi. And the fourth element will be sin theta cos phi multiplied by cos theta minus phi. Okay. Now, if we clearly see here, if this theta minus phi will become pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2 or any odd multiple of pi by 2, then any odd multiple of pi by 2 for cos, okay, will be 0. We know that cos pi by 2 is 0, okay, and similarly cos 3 pi by 2 is 0, okay. So from there we can say that cos 2n plus 1 pi by 2 is 0, okay. Now here we have theta, that is theta minus phi. Theta is for reference, okay. So that theta will be equal to theta minus phi according to this equation, okay. So from there we can say that cos theta minus phi, if this theta minus phi will become the odd multiple of pi by 2, that is 2n plus 1 pi by 2, then cos theta minus phi will be 0. And if this term will become 0 and it will multiply by these two terms, then ultimately these two terms will also become 0. Overall value will be 0. Now the AB metric will become, that is 0, 0, 0 and 0. Now if we check the question, so question was theta minus phi differs by an odd multiple of pi by 2. We need to show that theta minus phi is the odd multiple of pi by 2 if AB is a 0 matrix, okay. Now we can clearly see here, if AB is 0 matrix, then theta minus phi must be 2n plus 1 pi by 2, that is odd multiple of pi by 2. So from there we can say that this question is hence proved. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.